Good morning, students. Welcome to SBR online classes. Yesterday I was started a geography part. Which part? Okay. So many times I told to you there are three parts in class 6th. Okay. History part, civics part, geography part. Yesterday I was taught the geography. What is a geography? Geography is the study of life on the surface of the earth. This is called geography. Next, in geography, we are studying about the oceans. Okay, oceans, seas, continent, countries, mountain, hills, these etc. So many is there. So this is we are studying out in the geography. Yesterday I was told you what is a globe. I shown to you what. Okay, yesterday again one time I showed to you. Again one time I showed to you, okay, it is a globe. It is a globe. It is a miniature model of the earth. Globe is a miniature model of the earth. It is help us to learn about the oceans. Okay, it is the one good teaching in the classroom. We know about the features of the geography. Next. Today I will start the maps. Yesterday I was started the what is the meaning of a map. Maps are very essential to get the detailed information of a place, state, countries, continent, mountain, hills, etc. Again, what is a map? What is a map? A map is a diagrammatic representation of whole earth. What is a map? Okay, map. What is a map? A map is a diagrammatic diagrammatic representation representation of the whole earth. Whole earth or a part of it, a part of it on a flat surface according to a scale. It is the meaning of a map. What is a map? What is a map? A map is a diagrammatic representation of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface according to a scale. Next, what is a atlas? Okay, map it is useful in the teaching aids in the classroom. Atlas is a one book, that is the bounding book. Atlas. Next, what is atlas? What is an atlas? The collection of various types of map bound bound as a book is known as known as an atlas. An atlas. Okay. What is an atlas? What is an atlas? The collection of various types of so many different types of maps. It is the classroom, it is India map, world map, again that land map, house map. So many maps are there. Different types of maps are there. The collection of various types of map bound as a book is known as an atlas. Next, the science and art map making known as a cartography. Okay, science map also is there, arts map also is there. That making is called as a cartography. What is called? That is the cartography. Next, types of map. Types of maps. Okay, types of map. Types of map. Okay, maps can classified into two types. How many types? Two types. Okay, one is the maps based on scale. Maps based on scale. Map based on purpose. Okay, map of types of map classified into two. Map based on scale. Map based on purpose. Next, base of maps classified into two types. This also classified into two types. One is the large scale map. Large scale map. Next one is the small scale map. Small scale map. Okay, map based on scale. These also two types: large scale map, small scale map. Large scale map show the individual property and detailed surface of features. This large scale map shows that individual property. Individual property means, for example, house property, land property, different types of, that is the individual. For example, your own house is, that is your property. Yes, no? Land means that is the own property. So large scale map shows that show individual property. Individual property. Detailed surface feature. Detailed surface features. Okay. This map is means large scale map is represented small maps. It is the represented small maps. Next, small scale maps. Small scale map. These maps are represent the large. This map is represent the large. Example, countries, states, continents. Okay, small scale represent the large map. For example, countries, states, and the continent. Small scale also, these also divided into three types. Small scale map also three types. Sorry, two types. One is the wall maps. One is the wall maps. One is that the atlas map. Okay. Small scale map is divided into two. That is wall maps and the atlas map. Wall maps are used to teaching aids in the classroom. Wall maps, this is teaching aids in the classroom. Again, it is the atlas map is very small map. Okay, this also gives us some informations. Scale map based on scale. There are two types: large scale map, small scale map. It shows the individual property, detailed surface features. Small scale map also. This is the represent the large map. Example: countries, states, continent. Again, these also two types of maps. One is the wall map. One is the atlas map. Next, map based on purpose. Map based on purpose. This also three types of map based on purpose. There are three types. How many types? Three types. One is the physical maps. Physical maps. Next, political maps. Political maps. Next one is the distribution maps. Distribution maps. Okay. Map based on purpose. There are three types. How many types? Three types. Physical maps, political maps, distribution maps. What is a physical map? Okay. These show the physical features. These show the physical features such as physical features is what that the mountains, okay, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans. Okay, physical map show mountain, mountains, plains, plateaus, etc. Next, political map. This shows the political boundaries. Political map shows the political boundaries. For example, countries, state, continent. What does show that? state, district, states, districts, towns, countries, etc. Next, distribution map. This map shows the temperature. What that shows that is that this map shows the definite features. Example, rainfall, population, crops, industries, waterways, roads, railways. Okay, small map based on purpose. There are three types. Physical map. This shows the mountains, plains, plateaus, etc. Political map. This shows the states. Okay, boundaries. Political map show the boundaries. States, districts, towns, countries, etc. Next, distribution maps show that rainfall. Okay, definite features: rainfall, population, crops, industries, roadways, railways, etc. Next, components of a map. What is that? Component of maps. Component map. Components map. There are five types of component. Component maps. How many are there? Five types. First one is that title. Second one is that scale. Third one is latitude and longitude. Fourth one is direction. Fifth one is that scale. Fifth one is that induction. Index or key. Okay, components of map. How many is there? Types of five types. First one is that title. Okay, components of a map are five types: title, scale, latitude and longitudes, directions, index or key. Next, what is a title? Title tells us, it means title. Title tells us the content of the map. Example, India political or India features, geographical feature. India's geographical feature is written here short form. Okay. Title. It tells us, means the title tells us the content of the map. For example, India political or India geographical features. Next, what is scale? It helps us, scale help us to know the distance, distance, distance between the two places, two places on the ground, on the ground. Example here. Scale, it helps us to know the distance between the two places on the ground. For example, how to use that measurement the Kalburgi to Bidar? Okay, how many kilometers difference between? For example, Kalburgi to Bidar. Okay, how many kilometers difference between? I think it is the 110 kilometer. How it is a measurement by scale? How it measurement by scale? It helps us to know the distance between the two places on the ground. Example, Kalpuri to Bidar 110 kilometers. Okay, means it is scale means it is not even compass scale. That is one big measurement scale. Next, latitude and the longitude. Okay, latitude and the longitude. It helps means latitude and longitude. It help us to find the location, find the location, distance, location, distance, and direction of a place on the map, okay. Latitude and longitude help us to find the location, distance and direction of place on the map. For example, in your car when you traveling means a tour. Okay, we are going to the tour trip. That time, how do you identify that? Google. Okay, that shows that location, distance, direction, and place on the map. Next, direction. Okay, fourth one, direction. It is shown. It is shown by a symbol of arrows. Symbol of arrows with the letter N. N stand for north. N stand for what is letter? North. Okay. The top. North is the top of the map. The top. For example, okay, it is the north, east, west, south. First you show the symbol. Okay. North is the top of the map. Okay. North is top on the map. First you identify this north. Automatically you get the three direction: east direction, west direction, and the south direction. A means what? That east, west, south. Okay. Direction. It is shown a symbol of arrows with the letter N. N stand for north, E east, W west, S south. Next is that index or key. Index or key. Or key. A symbol used to represent any feature is called index or key. Index or key. What is a index? What is a key? A symbol of used to represent any feature is called index or key. Example: blue color. Okay, blue color. Example: blue color for water bodies. Blue color show for water bodies. For water bodies. Next, green color for lowlands. Lowlands. Okay. Example: a symbol used to represent any feature is called index. What is that? Blue color for water bodies. Okay. In the map outside ocean, which color that is? Blue color, no? Next, green color for the lowlands. Next, political map. Index key, political map. Next, index key for political map. See children, when you are going to the journey, when you are going to the trip, so that some symbols on the road. Yes, no, some put the arrow marks. Okay, for example, this is that, like that they are showing that is the means next is that the hill. What is the symbol? It is a hill symbol. Sometimes they are showing the one boy. Again there is bat. What is the symbol? It is show that is the there is the school. Next, one more symbol they are showing that curving. It is as telling that the road is curving. It is the symbol of on the road. Next, index for political map. Okay, some symbols for political maps. Okay, it shows that the international bodies. Okay, this show that this index, this key, what that show that the international bodies, boundary, international boundary. Next, it index show state boundary. Okay, this is international boundary. This is a state boundary. Next, this is district boundary. District boundary. Next, this is show that taluk boundary. Next, this is show that river boundary. These are the political index. These are the index for political map. This picture international boundary. This line state boundary. This line district boundary. This dot is taluk boundary. Next, this is curving. This is the means what flowing here. This is a river boundary. Again, next. Index की political map. This show the national capital. National. This symbol is show the national capital. This is state capital. State capital. This is big cities. Big city. Next, this is town or small city. Town or small city. These are the political maps index of symbols. Next, users of maps. Okay. Next, users of maps. Next, what that the users of maps. Okay, map is the learning teaching aid in the classroom. This is the teaching aid. Map is the teaching aid. We can easily identify the states, countries, oceans, water bodies. Okay, lowlands, hills, mountains, plateaus. Next, how to use the map to us. How to use the map to us. Users of maps. Okay, users of the maps. Map helps means it helps. It means what? Maps. It means what? Maps. It helps us to locate place like, okay, it helps us to locate place like town, cities, districts, state, countries and continent. Like town, state, Next, etc. They show the means maps show the they means maps show the mountains. Map show the mountains, plateaus, rivers, plains, lowlands. Okay, they show the mountains, plains, comma, plateau, plateaus. Next, coastal areas, coastal areas, and islands. Okay, they show the mountains, plains, plateaus, coastal areas, and island. Next, they help us to they help us to means they means what maps help us to routes. Okay, routes of transport like road or road, railways, etc. See children, an example. Suppose you don't know that you are stayed in Kalburgi. If you go into the one new place, that place you don't know that. Okay, sometimes you are asking in Kannada. Sometimes you are asking, "This road eಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದ್ರಿ?" Okay, where this go this way? Okay, where this go? So that is map help us to routes of transport. Okay, transport means what that is a good. Okay, goods. Transport means a goods. Next, they help us to understand crops. Okay, crops area. Next, industries area. Okay, map help us to understand the crops area and the industries area. Okay, maps are next point. Maps are very important for military people. Okay, military people, maps are very important for military people. Okay, military people, they are standing in the boundary. Okay, they are using the map. Again, they go to the place to place, another place. Next, maps are very good teaching learning aids in the classroom. Next, geographical symbol. Next, geographical symbol. Geographical symbol. See children, this page, it is very easy. Page number, that is a annual activity. Okay, the symbol give lot of information. Geographical symbol is give the lot of information. It is activity 2. Okay, you activity. Okay, page number 146. Page number 146. See the symbols used in, okay, see the symbols used in tropical maps. Okay, this all under this geographical symbols. Take one drawing sheet, otherwise in your classwork better than you take one A4 size sheet. Okay, that take and draw this data geographical symbols. Draw, okay, on a strike sheet. It is the activity. Next, we have the colors. Okay, colors are very important on the map. Colors are very important on the map. Suppose colors represent different physical features. Colors, it is used represent different symbol features. For example, you take blue color. Blue color, water bodies. Next, green. Green color, plain and lowlands. Next, yellow. Yellow, highlands. Highlands. Next, brown. Brown, high mountain. High mountain. White. White, snow covered area. White, snow covered area. Okay, colors represent different physical features. Blue color shows that water bodies. Green color show plain and lowlands. Yellow color show highlands. Brown color show high mountain. White color show snow covered area. Next, maps, map reading. Map reading. Map reading is a skill. Map reading is a skill. Okay, map reading is skill. We must know. We must know three skill of map reading. Okay, map reading. Map reading is a skill. Map reading is a skill. We must know three skills of map reading. Okay, what is the three? First one is that to locate place. To locate place. Next, to locate place means we look on the map, we know the latitude and the longitude. To locate place, we know the latitude longitude. Okay. To locate place on the map, we have know the latitude and the longitude. Next, to find the direction. To find the direction. Okay, north helps us to this north helps used to find the other direction. North helps us to use other find the other direction. Before only is told north, south, east, west. Next third one to find the distance. To find the distance. Okay. Okay, scale help us know the one place to another place distance. Okay, for example, it is Kalaburigi, it is Bagalkote, Bagalakote. Okay. How to that identify the distance? Okay, it uses a scale. To find the distance, we use the scale. So we know the distance between Kalburgi and Babalkot. Okay, children. Thank you. Lesson is over. Globe and map lesson is over. I will give the question answer. I will send in your WhatsApp group.